Hey guys, Julia here. Welcome back to another video. It's spring cleaning time around the house, and 2 years ago we did this major Marie Kondo style declutter and thought that we'd do a refresh this year. So that means I need to have a good long look at my washi tape collection. A few of you asked to see my washi stash, so I thought it'd be a perfect time to show you what I'm working with. So in this video, I'll be going through it all and deciding what to keep, what not to keep, and I'll be swatching the keepers in this new long-term collections journal that I haven't really even started yet. So I don't even know if my washi collection is really all that excessive, but before we get started, let me know down in the comments, 1, how many washi tapes do you have? And 2, if you think my washi collection is really all that crazy. I don't know. But yeah, let's get to it. So this is one of my containers where most of my washi is stored, but I have a drawer for them and another little container for the ones that don't fit in this one. So I'm just going to attempt to dump all of them out here. Okay, I'm ready to go through these washi tapes. I am gonna use this white piece of paper just so you guys can see what's going on. So I'm just gonna go for it. We're gonna have our not keeping washis here, and then I'll just stick the ones that I am keeping off camera. So I'm just gonna start with the ones that are close by. Hopefully you can see that. This is the Amanda Rach Lee. I'm definitely keeping these. Probably all of them because they're adorable and sparkly. This one I haven't even used yet, but I mean, I use this pink color and gold. I like that, so I'm gonna keep those. And definitely, yeah, I've used this recently. Love that. Haven't used that one yet. Yes. This is another one. I think this is from the dark neutral set, but this one is thinner and it doesn't have the glitter on it, but I love how understated it is. So we're just gonna keep all the Amanda Rach Lee ones. They're great. Okay, yeah, I wanna say really quickly that if you gifted me, if you're my friend in real life and you've gifted me any of these washi tapes, please don't take it personally. I'm just going through and decluttering. It's just that time of the year. So yeah, we have this Explore washi tape. We're gonna add this one because I don't really love the lettering on that, and they're made out of little like axes and wood things. It's kind of not my vibe, so we're just gonna stick it there. Definitely keeping this. I used this in my February reflections journal. It's from the Archer and Olive December sub box, and it has some gold or silver foil. And yeah, we're gonna keep that. So this is the Scotch. I love that, pattern. The colors are really pretty. And she's thick. This is a thick washi tape. It's that Scotch brand. So, yeah, we're going to keep that. So I'm telling you right now, all of the grid washi tape that I have, I'm keeping. I love it. I use it the most probably. Any of the grid. And I have, let's see. I think I got these actually from Amazon. I'll leave the links to the ones that I can find because you guys, I don't know where some of this washi tape came from. So yeah, moving along. Okay, this I'm keeping. And I know I got this super cheap from Walmart. It was like a 4-pack. This I'm not as in love with. It's good quality. I just don't know if it's my... Okay, no, If I have to question it, then it has to go in this thing. Okay, moving along. Bunnies, these are super cute. Got them in Paris. Though I'm pretty sure you can find them elsewhere, but keeping those. Anything on this gold foil, I just love the gold and the silver foil. And then this one is very geometric. I like the very simple things that can be paired with a lot of different themes, so we're gonna keep this one. You already know, these showed up in the post-holiday stationery haul, and this is from the washi tape shop, so I am definitely keeping this one. It was a 3-pack set. I think it was called the Kyoto Wave set. This one. And this super pretty white one. Okay, so next one I just happened to pick up is the striped one. Man, you guys have seen this used in, gosh, October 2020. I just love this because it's so versatile, and I love stripes, and yeah, definitely keeping this. Swirly marble foiled goodness. It's super transparent too. I've used it quite a bit, so it ain't going nowhere. This one, super neutral with little pops of color with little globes in there. Super cute, but I don't know if I'll use this one, so we're gonna put it here. It doesn't spark as much joy. This one, however, does. I used this one, I know, in the March 2020 setup, and I'm pretty sure I got it in one of those like Michael's Hobby Lobby sets, I'm pretty sure. This one I have used to mark off things. It sticks very well. It's like a iridescent teal. Very, very pretty. But I don't... Oh, okay. We'll come back to that one. I'm not sure. Because I love it. I just don't know if I'll use it as much. Keep it there. Now here's a lettering one that I do use and I am going to keep, I think. It just says important. And in my Nuna journal, I use this on the side of the, like, as a marker on the page for spreads that weren't at the beginning of the page. Like it was a bill tracker, I'm pretty sure. And I use this to mark that. So I think I am going to keep this. It's another floral. It's a very understated floral. I'm not that huge on florals, so I'm just gonna stick you over there. Now, these are actually the first washis that I got. They were gifted to me as a Christmas gift. And they all came in this one set.
Oh my gosh.
Just a little of everything. And these thin ones are actually pretty great for like separating out the page or be paired with other washies. So I'm just gonna go through these super quickly to see which ones I think I'm actually gonna use. So yeah. Okay, so these are the ones that I am giving away or donating, and so it's not bad. I did pretty well. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take the ones that I'm keeping and I'm going to separate them out into different categories and then make some swatch pages for them. So stick around for that. So now that I have them all separated out into categories that I thought made sense, I'm going to go ahead and start swatching them out. This will be a long-term collections journal, and it was gifted to me by the Shop Amanda Rach Lee team, and I'm excited to finally start putting this journal to use. I've seen these swatch pages get really fancy, washy as paint rollers or nail polish or up on a clothesline, but it's really not that serious to me, and I just want something quick and dirty for reference. So this first category is stripes and dots, and I'd say that's pretty self-explanatory there. The next category is stars and galaxy, and I don't have too many of these, but I'm giving it a full page because I love stars and space imagery, and I do think at some point I'll have more of these to fill this page out more. Alright, for the next category, I'm calling it large patterns, and these are for washi that have large, more geometric features, and the small patterns page over on the other side will be for patterns that maybe don't take up the entire washi, or the repeating element is on a smaller scale. The grid washi is the next group, and I'm going to leave an entire page for these as well because they are probably my favorite types of washi right now, and I can definitely see myself getting more of these in the future with a little more variety in the grid spacing. All of these come from one pack, so they're identical as far as the grid pattern goes, just different colors. This next group I'm calling the Pictorial category, and I guess these could have been dispersed into the pattern categories technically, but I thought that since these sort of emphasize different objects and doodles rather than geometric elements, that would warrant a different category. For the last few sections, they are half sections because A, I don't have enough in the category to justify a full page, and B, I don't see myself adding too much to these in the near future. So yeah, the floral section is pretty self-explanatory. Same with the word washi. I actually only ended up keeping one of those. Over on the other side, I'm sticking in destination-specific washi from travels, and I'm gonna write in where I got those from. I totally biffed the last header, but I covered it up, and I'm actually surprised I don't have that many solids, so. Those are all the keepers, and it was so satisfying to see that they all fit in this one craft container. That actually may keep me from buying any more anytime soon. But let's do a quick flip through of all the swatch pages and call it good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks a ton if you have. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. And if you like this video, here are a couple more I think you would enjoy.